Hey there! You can use flashcards for this lesson to remember everything you're studying. Links are in the description. Also, support kids in need by donating to St. Jude. Link below. Thanks so much. Let's begin. An organization that takes cybersecurity seriously presents a formidable challenge for would-be attackers. With a highly secure network in place, attackers often find it daunting to infiltrate your systems directly. This is where the watering hole attack comes into play. Rather than going after you directly, they aim to compromise a trusted third party that you are likely to visit. Once you partake in this digital watering hole, you may inadvertently become infected, and this provides attackers with a backdoor entry to your network. Watering hole attacks typically require meticulous research on the part of the attackers. They must identify the websites and third-party domains that your users frequently visit. Sometimes, this entails educated guesswork, as attackers attempt to compromise websites that align with your organization's interests. For instance, they might target a local sandwich shop, knowing that it's a popular spot for your employees to grab lunch. Alternatively, they may zero in on an industrial website that your organization frequently accesses, making it an ideal watering hole target. The attacker's next step is to identify vulnerabilities on these third-party sites, which may serve a broad audience. While their primary focus might be to infect a specific group or organization, the malware they implant on these sites often poses a risk to anyone who visits, potentially extending to your own users. Let's examine a real-world example of a watering hole attack. In January 2017, a series of watering hole attacks targeted multiple websites, including those owned by the Polish Financial Supervision Authority, the National Banking and Stock Commission of Mexico, and a state-owned bank in Uruguay. These sites shared a common financial focus, aligning with the attacker's objective. The attack payload involved downloading malicious JavaScript files, but with a caveat. Only specific IP addresses were targeted. A closer examination revealed that the IP addresses matched those associated with banks and other financial institutions. In this case, the watering hole attack was detected and mitigated, but the full extent of previous infections remains unknown. Preventing watering hole attacks requires a multifaceted approach. Here are some strategies to consider. 1. Implement defense in depth. A layered security approach is essential. Combining different security measures helps create a robust defense system that makes it more difficult for attackers to penetrate your network. 2. Next-generation firewalls and intrusion prevention systems. These security solutions can proactively identify and thwart potential watering hole attacks, blocking malicious code before it reaches your systems. 3. Antivirus software. Running robust antivirus software like Symantec can provide an additional layer of protection. It may detect generic JavaScript attack signatures and prevent malicious scripts from running on your system. 4. User awareness. Educate your users about the risks of watering hole attacks. Encourage them to be cautious while browsing and to report any suspicious activity. Watering hole attacks epitomize the adaptability of cybercriminals. They serve as a poignant reminder that cybersecurity is an ongoing battle where knowledge and a proactive stance are your greatest assets. Staying informed about the latest threats, whether they originate within your network or from third-party sites, can help you navigate the complex web of modern cyber attacks. Remain vigilant, and you'll be better equipped to protect your organization from the clandestine dangers of watering hole attacks. Thanks for watching. Help children in need. Donate now to St. Jude. Link in the description. Together, we make a difference.